Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $25.14. 24-hour volume, we're down 7%, and market cap, we are up 0.34%. Heading over to our daily chart here, there are a few things that do look quite interesting. Most importantly, 2 days ago, we have this engulfing candlestick. However, yesterday's candle here, we've actually had reached at least the range of 50% of the previous candlestick. However, the body itself remained more than, I want to say around 30% of the actual range at the very bottom here, which does represent a lot of the bears taking control of the actual session itself. So we may actually be in a stronghold of battling out for the bears to see if we're able to come up and retest this area of our fib of $25.72 or hold very, very strongly here at an area of support. Now we can see with the volume profile in the session alone here, there are a few nodes to take note of. Of course, with the higher nodes is the higher volume at this dollar point and will be used as an area of resistance or an area of support. So we know this area here at 50%, roughly around the $23.96, was an area treated as resistance back here in early October or mid October itself until it finally broke out on October 25th. So and then we can see here on October 31st and November 1st, it was treated as a good area of support, hugging closer around our 100 moving average as well. So this is going to be a high area of interest if the price does battle it out and the bears take a hold of Ethereum Classic, then we may come back down and retest this area of our profile volume around the $23.97 if we do see another rejection from our 23%. Now let's take a sneak peek here on the 2-hour time frame because we can see that the price is hitting resistance and hitting support in this parallel channel that we are seeing. So we can see here coming down to an area of support, resistance, and then simply again at an area of support. If we take a look at the RSI, we have a really nice bounce here opposed to actually creating a selling opportunity. The two RSI lines, the K and the D line, actually bounced really nicely, and we can see our K line actually coming up towards the upside. We could anticipate that the price does come up and initially retest the area of resistance here at $25.45. So long that our momentum of our MACD indicator does stay in check here with smaller histograms in the lighter red color. If we do see a dark red color, it is only going to strengthen that rejection from this area of resistance or may not actually see the price come up this high area. Now, if we take a look at possibilities of support, we are going to be relying on our supply and demand zone, grabbing all of the data here from October 25th. So our profile volume off to the side, even though this is a high area of interest between the 25 to $25.13 to the $25.01, there is again this node that's sticking out here from the 20 or the 50% of our fib at the $24.66. So again, that is going to be a tested area of support, or we can always test the parallel channel as well for this trend upwards. So that's kind of my update here for Ethereum Classic. We are going to be following this very closely. In the MACD indicator, again, it just changed over to a darker red. So be very cautious here of waiting for the candlesticks to close before evaluating it because it was lighter red and then it turned to a darker red. So the momentum, it might come into another wave of the strong momentum and retesting this area at the very bottom here for our support. And if we do break that, we can see a few areas sparsely around 61%. And that's not really as reliable as we don't really see a whole lot of our candlesticks retracing that. That means it may actually fall all the way down to $23.36. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.